All right, this big old box that's covering up the whole screen is King. Again, when I'm doing videos on quadcopters, or should I say drones, that I'm the Cincinnati Fly King. So today I'm doing a small unboxing of these Lipo battery pouches. They're fireproof and explosion proof. So you know batteries has a tendency, they can explode if you're not using them properly. And when you're traveling with them, you want to have something safe to put these in. And these should fit all type of batteries, Lipo batteries, whether it's a DJI, whether it's Yuneec, whether it's Artel. All these batteries are roughly the same size and length and thickness in most cases. Some of them are thinner, some of them might be a little bit thicker. But let's see if these pouches work out pretty good for what we need. So I purchased 2 of them. And I believe I spent $6 each on these bags. So as you can see, these come out like so. And if I put my battery in here, it fits perfect. So you really want these if you're traveling with your quadcopter or drone any place, especially if you put them on an airplane. Supposedly you have to carry your Lipo batteries on carry-on and not put them under the plane. But still, you want these. So these definitely works out fine. I like them. You never can be too safe. I never had a battery explode on me. Some of you out there might have. And it's ugly. If you look at, go on YouTube and look at some of the videos of exploding Lipo batteries, it is very vicious. So let's open up the other one. And again, I have 3 batteries, but right now I guess I'm planning on keeping one in the quadcopter, which is not the best thing to do, but probably go ahead and purchase another one of these. All right, let's put another battery in there. Perfect, as you can see, perfect fit. Fold these down, fold these over, and there you are. So this is my quick unboxing of fireproof and explosion proof pouches for Lipo batteries. I have another unboxing for you in a minute, and we'll get set up and I'll show you what else I purchased. Yuneec Typhoon H. So let's go ahead and open it up. Go ahead and cut here on the side. Let's get this out of the box. Let's get rid of the box. And let's dispose the case. All right. Hopefully you can see that. I believe that's the front of it. Has a little zipper here, pouch that you can put more stuff in there. Let's look at the back side. Again, it's a backpack. You got cushions here. And the side, you have a side pouch. You can put whatever you need in there. And it has one of those side pouches here. All right, let's open this up and take a look inside. There we go. That is what I'm talking about. Let's give it a look at what we have. So, looks like right here is where your controller goes. Of course, your quadcopter with the legs here go here. Look like we have 1, 2, 3, and maybe 4 pouches here for batteries. But I tell you what, let's put the drone in here And let's fit some batteries in here and see what we have left. All right, let's do that. Make sure the arms are down all the way. There. Perfect fit for the drone itself. All right, let's go with the batteries. We have 3 batteries. And perfect. That's a nice fit right there. All right, you got the 3 batteries here. So you can grab the handle and you can pull them back out. All right, the controller. I believe it goes facing the camera. And it should slide right down. There we go, that's a very nice fit. Put it down in there. All right, what do we have now? Sunscreen. I believe it goes here. Oh yeah, drops right down in there. Now here's the battery pack, or the battery nest, and I believe that should fit here. Yeah, it does. And here's the power pack to that. And let's try fitting it. It's the only place I can see it's been, and maybe down here too. All right, we'll put it here. And propellers. I believe they can go in here. And we have the antennas. I can just lay them right in here, as you can see there. Fits nicely. This is the little box. I think it has a micro SD card in there. That looks like a nice little fit. And we have the power cord that goes to the power pack. And I can just throw that down in here. That's pretty good. What else we got? Nothing else to go in here. I think that's that's excellent. All right, I took the batteries out of the Lipo bags, and we can put that on the outside. So let's zip it on up. Let's close it up. Zip it on up, and here's the little pouch on front. We can slide those right in there. And there, you have it there, folks. So appreciate you guys watching. What we would do is I will put a link for the Lipo bags, and also this bag. Also, I'll give you the cost of both of them. So, Cincinnati Fly King, signing off, and I really appreciate you guys watching. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.